Hold on, I'm gonna put a solo intro here.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it, the trading cowboy.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Chart like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is up, guys? Trading Cowboy in the house today with my big buddy Greg over from Sink or Swim, the famous, infamous Greg.
Believe me, from this side, I've never actually been a co-host from this side, man.
Yeah, so y'all guys kind of tell us how we sound. This is new to me. He definitely threw me in the water to figure this out. So, have you been long for a while, Greg? Were you going long right there, or what were you doing?
Yeah. Change this whole thing up now. Hold on. Man, that's crazy. It's weird to see myself, honestly. The YouTube, I don't even look at myself on YouTube. I just look at like the OBS screen the whole time.
Right, yeah. Well, welcome to YouTube. I do the same thing. I catch myself watching you right on the other screen. So, and I'm like, well, wait a minute. He's already said that. Why is he saying it again?
Oh wow, man! And you got your heartbeat monitor and everything.
Yeah, look at that, man. Yeah, we're gonna try to add a little bit of stuff in here, get everybody a little taste of what we see here.
All right. So when it gets in the tray, it's gonna go like. Oh, I know. I
Where
couldn't
did I
even
do that over
imagine. Like my
here?
baseline is like 130 half the time, you know. I got high blood pressure. I know. I don't know.
I'm gonna say, keep talking, Greg. I got my computer guy telling me if you're loud enough or not. So,
Oh yeah, nice man. Sorry, bud.
y'all keep
He even has IT and everything.
y'all keep having the conversation.
My goodness. What is that? You got little green beans for lunch? What's going on over there?
Oh yeah, man. I always eat lunch here with the crowd. So I got my chicken breast, my green beans, and my mushrooms.
Nice.
They like to hear me smack, and it kind of gets me through the first 10, 15 minutes. So when I'm talking by myself.
Helps you slow down too, right? Slow down some of those trade decisions. Wow, man, look at you. You're up to 212 now as well. Nice to see it. Love to see it. Who you're watching right now?
It's crazy, man. Crazy.
Right? It is kind of crazy when you think about it, man, because it's something I've done in my stream all the time too. When you have like, I don't know, 60 people watching, 100 people watching, like, in YouTube world, it's not really that big, you know?
Right.
So imagine that you had 50 or 60 people that showed up to your house in person to watch exactly what you're doing, and that's what this is.
Yeah.
And that's how it is. I mean, even though it's 50, 60, that's
Bluetooth disconnected.
I thought I could hear him right.
No, you can't hear him at all.
Okay, hold on, guys. Got a little technical issue again. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, we were just hearing the echo. That's all it was.
Hmm?
All we were hearing was his echo in here.
Oh.
So his source isn't plugged into the program yet, somehow.
Alright, still trying, guys. Give me just a second still. I lost them all, didn't I? Nope, hold on. What the heck?
Bluetooth connected.
Well, I thought that would be a good idea, but what are we doing now, though? I don't know. I totally killed you, I guess.
Hey, we friggin' rip right 78. Oh.
Yeah. Wow.
So on my channel today, we did a challenge where we did logs only, and it didn't really work out. If I'm being honest, it didn't work out very well, but we did okay. Which I'm curious if you guys can even hear me right now.
Yeah, we can. We got you a little bit, so.
Where's the chat go? Where's the chat? Where's the chat? Show the chat.
Oh, he's not on there, though, is he?
How can you show the chat? There we go. That's how you show the chat. Which nobody say anything. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Three of us watching right now. Let's say something. Who's hanging out with us today?
That's just because
And what are we targeting?
your
Are
mouse
we
is
targeting
over
longs
it.
or are we targeting shorts?
We're still trying to figure out.
There's our IT professional. Top of the screen there.
Yep. I'm still trying to figure out. I can hear you through the speaker through mine, but I can't. We're not hearing you on the stream.
Huh. Yeah, I think I did lose you, man. So I can't hear you again.
How about now?
Yeah, there it is. How
So I
about
can.
now?
I can hear you. We can hear you fine, but I can't hear you on the stream.
You can't hear me on the stream, so like the YouTube isn't hearing me.
And I'm sure it's something I have right here.
I don't know what that does.
I wonder if I can add. Hello, hello.
Yep.
There. Does that help? I mean, you can still hear me here, but I wonder if you can hear me on YouTube now.
No, still nothing he says. Come on.
I know, right? It's also technology. Come on, technology. So here we
No,
are.
it's off, on.
My mic is on. Audio sources. Huh. Yeah, it shows me. It shows me like my I don't know. My video ninja. It shows my green bar.
Yeah, it shows you rocking and rolling on even on my side on the deal. So
On your browser input over here for Greg.
oh maybe.
Oh, you know, I did add in.
Click Control Audio via OBS. Scroll up, check that box right there, and hit OK. And now scroll down on your source,
Gone
your
now.
mixer right here.
Oh, right here.
So it shows my mix.
Oh yeah, we got him on there now.
Is it working
I
now?
think we got you now.
Are we working? Are we 100% live? Live on the YouTubes?
You're live, buddy.
Hey, chat, can you hear us? Can anybody hear us yet? Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody listening?
Anybody?
All
Come
right,
on,
so
guys.
they said the guys downstairs said they can hear me, though. We're good to go? Good to stinking go? Ready to lose some stinking
Yeah,
monies?
yeah, we're rolling.
Hey Jennifer, Wednesday
Good,
loses to
good. Hell yeah,
Go.
go team.
so click English
Thanks,
mix.
friends.
And have like a 6-second delay. But he's instant.
Okay.
So VIX is still down in the toilet, which is a good thing. Nvidia is starting to push maybe just a little, but it's kind of at that wonky spot. Same thing with Q, same thing with ES, same thing with us. We're all kind of in the same spot right now. Hmm.
Yeah, I really like that 770 if it would hold right there for sure.
Actually, no, it's interesting. I bet I can still change some stuff on your
Get that little
screen too.
pop.
Did that work or no? Let's see.
Oh, Greg's down just a
Hell yeah! I can give you my.
Yep.
I can change to my all screens. That's fun.
And you're doing that through OBS?
Oh, now I can't hear you again. poor, poor, poor trade cowboy. What's going on? You gotta love technology.
What is going on? Oh, no audio again.
Oh well.
Hello. Test, test.
There it is. Hey, he's back. And he's back.
Man, why does everything keep changing? Hey, you just keep running the show if I don't come back, okay?
Oh, I know, man. I know. I just been talking to myself over here like blah 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 blah.
I mean, yeah, like I said, right off that 770 was a nice little pop. Yeah, see, it held perfect.
Boom, boom. Yep, pushing again. Pushing again. VIX is falling. Nvidia's pushing. We're at our 200 right now, though. Ooh, so the question is, are we sticking to longs only, or are we allowed to do shorts on this stream?
Oh yeah, we're it's free game right now, guys. Free game.
Free game, free for all, free for all. Yeah, man. I mean, that was a really fun concept. So that's what we did on my stream. Our stream together earlier was we were doing longs only, which was kind of working, kind of not working. Though the funny thing is now, watch, we switched to shorts. Now it really is going to be longs for the rest of the day.
Yeah, it's gonna keep going long. Yeah, I mean this is a
Right.
perfect spot to short it. So
Oh yeah, I know. I was thinking that too. We're right at the 200 here. A 200
I mean,
rejection would make a heck of a lot of sense.
when you look back to the left, this is where we popped last time, and then just continued to drop. So we should get a little pullback. Otherwise, I
Yep.
think we got to come up to 800 before we get that pullback. So if it clears these highs, then we may want to exit and wait for them to kind of wait for that 800 push.
Yeah, which we're kind of getting right now, but we're getting a little rejection down. Uh, 790s. Yeah, everybody's still pushing. Shoot.
Yeah, we're gonna get that. I think we're gonna get that push up to that 800, that 8, right, well, right there where it just with that 796 to 798.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that we have VWAP coming very soon, but I think we got to get a little bit of a pullback before then. But
Stop field.
Yeah.
still wants to push, doesn't it?
Should have stuck with the all day longs.
Yep, for sure. I mean, we got 798.50. That's 50% below the opening range box.
Yep.
It's thinking about it. Oh my gosh, where is everybody? Are you kidding me?
Where are all of our friends? What time do you usually start?
I mean, usually right in this area here. I mean, usually
Yeah.
11:30. So
Nice.
Order filled.
okay, I see it.
See a little 800 rejection here. Wow, it's just going to keep pushing. Man, longs were the way. Longs were the stinking way.
Getting a little rejection here. Let's see if we can at least come down and touch this 84, 85 and see if we get a little
Uh-huh.
continuation. Or
So just make sure that you like listen.
Order filled.
Okay.
popped right off of it, kind of.
See, we got a little trend line here we can draw. Whoops.
I'm going to go in here and add. Trading view. Copy. There's our little push down, little bitty.
There we go. Down to the 21.
Push right back up.
Yeah, if it breaks this, maybe 720s then. I mean 820s, sorry. 820s.
Come on, let's go down. Let's go touch the. I mean, I think we could go down to 775, 777. Maybe get a bounce, but maybe we need to touch that 21 at 70 before we get that push.
Yeah.
We got this pivot point right here at 786. So it's trying to hold it right here. So hold on.
760s, yeah. Definitely seems like it wants to retest the 760s.
Yeah, it's kind of what I was
But-
hoping for, but
Still popping though. Bouncing off the 200 pretty good.
Yeah, pops
Huh.
right back up. So now I think we're going to be pretty strong right here.
Yeah, Nvidia's starting to poke its head up still.
Order filled.
I like it. So you like that half retracement, huh?
Yeah, sorry, man, not to fade you on your chat. Or fade you on your channel, but literally I was like, well, that's kind of his move. If he wasn't in a trade right now, I think you'd take it. The only thing that stinks is, we've just been chugging up since when now? We've been chugging up since 12:40, so it's been 40 minutes of nonstop going up. So a retracement honestly makes a little bit more sense than a pop. But which is Nvidia and everybody else looking strong, who the heck knows?
Yeah, I mean, Nvidia's coming right up on the VWAP right now, so we got to be a little careful in case it does reject, but we're getting that little
Yep.
push now, so.
Yeah, not bad. Ooh, that looks nice. I like this setup.
How's that? Yeah. That way maybe we can
Huh,
just kind of
man.
rotate through and see everything right there.
So that's kind of an interesting thing. Exactly that. Like again, I always look at OBS. I never look at YouTube, so I never know how like kind of the display and everything looks. And this looks great right now, man. I really like this.
I like both of our charts right there so they can see them, I hope, and then I kind of like having that kind of trading view right here in the middle kind of
Yeah, me
instead of having
too.
to switch over.
Yep. Oh shoot, I didn't even realize that you were in a long. I just got in and out so quick. I got out at 800.
Oh yeah, bro. When I saw the setup and then I heard order filled, I had to look at your screen to see what was going on, and
That's so funny. I mean, yeah, ES is going, Qs are going, Nvidia is really going, VIX is just dying, shot in the face.
I mean we kind of have this area right here now, so 825, kind of like you said, 812 to 825.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get a little rejection there, but maybe we can just pop straight up. Yeah. I mean, look at that, guys.
Shoot,
That's
man.
25 points right now just since we turned around and went long. We're
Look at
25
that.
points up, $500.
I
Gonna
should have
move it
held a
to the
little bit
bottom of that
longer.
candle. Can we say it
There's
like
that
the other guys?
820.
Nobody's doing it like this.
Shoo! 820 push. All right, Qs. I mean, Qs almost came to the shoulder where it kind of sold off a cliff. Same thing with ES. So I agree, probably just a tiny little pushback.
Yeah, I mean the top of our shoulder, kind of 824, 824 and a quarter roughly. Is kind of what we're looking at. I'm just looking at. I don't know if I can draw a line right there, but right there is kind of that back shoulder. If y'all are looking at the center of that screen, and we're gonna get a little. It's not. It may not be a big rejection, but we'll get a little stop right there, a little slowdown.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe just basically retest 800, retest the
Yeah,
9.
exactly. But I mean, we're gonna have to get close to the VWAP, right? Then we're gonna have to pull back, and we're gonna have to try to shoot through it. So.
Man, I almost want to.
I'm hoping this is a little bull flag setting up. We're getting that little push. Hey, there's Zero Dawn. What's up, thugs? He says.
What's up, Zero Down? Gang, gang, gang.
We're in a long right now, Zero Dawn, but Not because that's all we're doing today, because we're going to do all of it today. Get stepped up right here, but
We're gonna ride both sides on this one.
yeah.
NVIDIA curling back a little, Q's curling back, ES curling back, VIX turning a little green.
Now we're just going to kind of hope 191.45 on NVIDIA is a pivot point and the VWAP. So kind
Well,
of
the
just hope that
200
we...
EMA for the 1 hour is 828.
Okay.
I'm long again as well. In at the 700s. Hell yeah, you are.
Of course you are.
Good
And
God, man.
I mean, look at VIX. VIX is kind of at a pivot point, so that's kind of why we're getting this little hesitation here. But I mean, look at it. I mean, it just plummeted, guys.
Oh yeah, got shot in the face. Yeah, definitely trying to exercise a little bit of patience here, but this is a hard one because it does feel like it wants to just keep going up and up and up. But everything, Nvidia. I switched to a short after it failed to go higher earlier. Entered the short at. Oh, you mean right before it fell off the cliff there, like 50 minutes ago now.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get that 790 retest. Enter the short at 750, exited at 680. Dude, you're a monster, man. You're a monster.
So maybe next week, Zero Dawn, we can get you in here and we'll add you in and we'll have all three of us on here.
Hell yeah, man. Right? Let's get the squad going. Let's get the think tank going, man.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, again, there's a very interesting concept behind that. Maybe like the total, you get up to 4 eventually. Like 4 is the max total. But then if you had 4 traders, you know, with 4 different screens and 4 different ideas and stuff like that, and 4 different averages.
All right, here's our little bull flag playing out if we get that pop. I'm just looking for the 829, 830 area right before the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
It needs to push and go right now, though. We need that 50-second push.
Oh yeah, 130. 130s.
Come on. That's going to come down a wick lower, isn't it?
Yep.
That stops at 801. Stopped out. I'm going to be right back in a minute if this holds. If this holds the 793s. Want to just make sure it's not just wicking through there.
30 seconds left. Hi, you. Seven seconds. Let's see what this new candle does. Come on, hold it. Coming back down to the 200 then, 784.
Yeah.
Shoot.
I mean, we really want the 795 to be our support. We really don't want it to wick any lower.
Yeah, shoot. Like 750s is like the strong support. Ugh. Let's see. Nvidia crawling down just a little. 85, 95.
Yeah, if Nvidia could make a bull flag right now, that'd be great. On a 5.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, then we'll get a real nice W. Real nice W, which is funny. We were talking about the W, you know, on my stream earlier today. We were talking about the W. So I didn't think it was going to take this long to play out. My God, we still have our overnight highs at 25,060, don't forget. That's
Yeah,
kind of
wow.
nuts.
That'd be a great recovery.
Right? Yeah, I unfortunately think we're kind of bound and determined to come down here to the 780s.
Zero Dawn says 750 is a pivot point on his trade of 8.
Nice. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I mean, you can just, like, you can see the just huge shelf right here.
Yeah.
Massive shelf.
Good push. Nice
Yeah,
little boner candle.
Nvidia's thinking about turning green.
Oof, right back down though.
Back down to the 21. Come on. Well, just watching paint dry here. New 5-minute candle coming in 50 seconds.
Yeah, I mean the 15's looking a little bit better. It wicked down, made a nice wick. It's pushing back up, kind of to the top. It's coming back up on the 21 there, kind of where it rejected earlier. But there was no wick at the top of this 15-minute. It would have to clear 810 for it to make a wick though, so. Kind of telling me we need to go down a little bit more, but.
Yep.
I mean, look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is probably the play, guys. I mean, we had the nice double bottom on the 1 hour.
Yeah, look at that. Come on, we're bull flagging on the 1 minute though. We just need it to break. Give us a push. Come on.
There we go. Get it back up. So now on the 15, we're starting to clear that. We're getting ready to make that wick. We got to get through 808. Hey, Miguel, let's go, buddy. Good to see you here.
Miguel, what's
like
up,
the
big
setup or
dog?
what?
Look at how weird is this? Seeing Greg over here.
We got him out of the water and onto the flat land.
Right. We're giving him chest compressions. We're seeing what happens. Come on, you devil. There you
Good
go.
push. There we
Come
go.
on. Come on. Come on. Back to break even. Can we get a little bit better than
The chat can see my
that?
heart rate as we start going up. The chat can see my heart rate go up at the same time.
Right? Oh, you stinking thing. What time is it? 30 seconds left of this candle.
Yeah, we got 30 seconds left of this. 2.5 minutes into the 5 minutes. So we're halfway through the 5.
Yep.
I mean, clearly, guys, it looks like we have to at least get above that 820 area now, right? Yeah, zero
Blow
down
on the
blow
candles.
on the candles. Oh,
There we
giddy
go.
up, let's go.
I know, we got to put Creed on. Can you
Yep.
take me
Yep.
higher?
Just not Kryptonite, right? Isn't that where Patrick got banned that one time? Was when he was playing Kryptonite?
Uh-huh.
And they turned his stream off.
Right. Yeah, literally. Yeah, and he lost his stream for like 4 hours, and then he got a
Yeah.
strike against him, and hasn't played it since.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. We were right there.
Yeah, Zero Dawn's praying for the 850s. I just like to get 830 and then the pullback and then shoot for 850, but
Right?
Order
if we
filled.
break down right here, though, this may be kind of a double top for a little bit. I don't know.
Come on. Let's get a little pop.
Really need that 9 to hold right there. That'd be great. We don't have a wick at the bottom of that 1 minute at 8:05. Usually a 1 minute's not that big of a deal. This is becoming almost a no man land area. Yeah, anything could happen right here, I think.
Yeah, agreed. Somebody's about to get trapped.
I mean, we kind of filled that. I don't know if that's what they call a fair value gap, but that 796 to 815 or whatever. So I'll put my stop at break even again just in case. Have you had any good trades, Miguel? We've been trying long ever since we tried all morning.
Right, man. We keep trying.
Almost think it's, yeah. I don't think it'd be a bad idea to take profit right here. Zero Dawn, but I really thought we could go test that 825, 830 area, but
Here's our new 5 minute and 5 seconds here.
so let's see which way it pushes right off the bat. I mean, it's still setting up for a real nice bull flag, right? I mean, the 5 looks nice for a nice little pop. Zero Dawn, maybe switch short again. Well, do us a favor, Zero Dawn. Let us know when you do so we're not fighting this way. We'll go with you.
Right? Ah, darn it.
I mean, if it does top us out, we could. I don't know. I don't want it to catch itself at 790. I think 780 would be a better place for it to catch itself. Yeah, it
Yeah.
trailed out of that one. Um, I mean, in my mind, if it would just wick through 790 and then run back up,
Yeah, I
it's kind of
know
a
it.
double top on a 1 minute.
Stop filled.
Nah, I just gave up more for no reason.
Yeah, see, that's what it's going to try to do, I think, is the 790 kind of pop and or drop and push right back through it, maybe. Let's see what it does. All our EMAs are starting to curl over.
Mm-hmm.
We're thinking about giving up. Yeah. I think I'm going to wait for the 780 area, see if we get a drop through there. I don't know if they want it to go lower than 85, but
Right.
what did it get to? 88. So yeah, guys, I think wait between 85 and 80. Wait for that. Your stop could probably be below 70. Or we get a turnaround here and get a green candle and try the old trading cowboy setup.
The old. I mean, it's not looking bad.
So there's our little push down right there. Let's see how far. See if it's going to be a trick or not.
Order filled. Order
Yeah, they were
filled.
trying to
Uh-oh.
trick us, weren't they?
Nope.
I mean, Nvidia is actually looking pretty decent right now, so I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
ES is still dropping. VIX is kind of starting to curl back up.
Ah, darn it.
Order filled.
Kind of really slowed down here a little bit, didn't it?
Yep.
Stop filled.
Come on.
How'd she get up there?
I didn't pay attention. Oh wow. I moved that thing out too so that she couldn't.
Sorry, girl, but no. No, 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 no. God damn it.
Yeah, Vix is still spiking. Shoot, man. Wrong way. Wrong direction.
Oh. Ugh.
Trying to slow down the 5 minute, the 21's at 772, but we've definitely curled down.
Yeah. No good.
Stop filled.
No good.
Nvidia's still trying to give it a little bit of a push.
I got in short. Now he tells us. Got in short at 798.
Of course.
Nvidia's going back up, but VIX is also still going back up. This should be a perfect time though for ES to find support, Qs to find support. It's a good spot.
I'm sorry, baby girl, but you got buggies in your butt. You still got buggies in your butt? You checked her at all?
No, I haven't yet.
Daddy, look.
Good little push. Back to the 200s. Stopped
Stop
out.
filled.
Hopefully she's good. I don't see anything on her stomach. But...
I don't like influencing your trade just because I know Cowboy hates shorts.
Why? Just because I'm long right now, or what?
87.98. What?
Exactly, he says.
Oh, take a nap. Man, look at that. That was a big pop. Big old pop.
Well, trading Cowboy, I only had like $200 left in drawdown on that little eval, so we had to do something. So we just went long for the ride.
Damn. Nice, man.
We're still a little behind, but we're only down 450 now.
Whoa. Yeah, I'm a little down on this guy. I'm down $84 now. I was up 110 during my session, and then I should have walked away. You know,
Yeah.
It's always those things. You like walk away, and then you don't walk away, and it's like, oh shit. So now I'm in the opposite direction. You know.
I mean, I don't hate this here. Let's see if we get a little more push up, and then maybe a small pullback.
Yeah, I know. I literally was just about to hit long just there.
Yeah, let's see if the market makers fake me out. He said, well, they do that to me every day, Zero Dawn. So if it happens to you one time, don't be mad. Because they do that every day to me. And I talked about this like a broken record a while ago. I mean, I literally said, guys, let's wait for the 780s.
Right.
Let's go long. We went long like 10 times before that.
Oh, I know. And me too. I said 760s is where the main support was, or 750s, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, you can just see the massive shelf right here, 755. But even then, like, yeah, 780 is great support. Form a nice little bull flag.
Yeah.
Man.
Looks like you're good, Zero Dawn, so far.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not looking good for the lungs now. You have great success with lungs, though, almost any other day. Yeah, you're the king at the dead cat bounce, man. Well, I shouldn't even say dead cat bounce, but it's just like the little reversion on all of those flags. It'll be a bear flag, but you'll catch it long.
Yeah, you know, a lot of times on the dead cat bounce, if I hit it, I look like a genius. But sometimes when I don't, I get tilted really fast, and
Oh,
then
I
I just
know.
really
Yeah.
start trying to. Then I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it, and I blow
Yeah.
that account up. I switch to the next one, and I keep trying to catch it, and then 300 points later, Zero Don said, "Well, why didn't you just short it all the way down here like I did?"
Right?
And I'm like, "Oh, I didn't know that was an option. Nobody said anything."
Nobody said it. Let's see. Definitely teasing it in both directions here.
I mean, probably the best thing would have been to do is after that 2 candles ago closed, this one went up and touched the 9. That probably would have been a good area to short.
Mm.
We'd have been up about 10 points right now, and we could have waited to see if this holds. But
He goes, not trying to sound like some creepy cheerleader. Not trying to.
we know you're not trying. If y'all hear me smacking too loud, just tell me to be quiet, okay? I'll mute my mic.
Man, yeah, it's got to fall to 750s now.
If it fails, I'll be looking for 700, he says.
Nice.
So you're telling me it's time to go long.
So you're saying there's a chance.
Oh. Me and Zero Dawn have way too much fun in the afternoons, that's for sure. I think the other day he wrote it down. He wrote a short down for like 100 points, and I longed it the whole time in between there and got like maybe 50 points out of it.
Jeez,
And
man.
I was stressed the whole time, and he was just sitting there watching me, laughing at me as.
Right.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, I just caught a tiny little piece of that. Tiny little piece of that short.
Nice. Oh yeah, look at that, chap.
Man, but so now it's going to be hard because this is the spot that we said we wanted to be at for the long. Do we just blindly long it now that it hit it?
I mean, we could get a little pop here at the 755s.
Well, plus we got a new 5 minute and 15 seconds here.
Yeah, and I really, usually that 5 minute we get that little push, and we really didn't get that push, but may just try one small one right there, see kind of how this candle closes and opens back.
Yeah, I did too, just because, again, we talked about it. Hopefully, you can get at least 765.
If we get a dip to the 750, I may add one, but other than that, I think I'll just target that top shoulder at 768. A little quick 12 points maybe. And this is what I'm talking about. I mean, Zero Dawn's over there. He's 42 points up right now for my entry.
Right.
I'm trying to catch 10 or 12 points.
Right. In the opposite of market direction.
Yeah, yeah.
Same, you know.
I'll catch 12 points. Hopefully, I'll be out. He'll just continue riding it down.
Right.
He's over there smoking a cigar, kicked back in his chair.
Yep.
Stop filled.
Yeah, look at that. No bounce. Nice call, Zero Dawn. Nice call.
Dang. I only trade one mini per account. Yeah, only one mini. I'm trading one micro right now and getting waxed on one micro. He's doing one mini and just killing it.
Order filled.
All right, well, I guess I'll try to get the 720s then. See if we can't get a 720 bounce.
Stop filled.
No. I tied a cinder block to the NQ and pushed it in the ocean. Killing that motherfucker.
That's great because Greg owns part of the ocean where he lives, so
Right?
that's why him and
Yeah.
you'd get along so good because Greg don't have a problem shorting that sucker.
She, I'll short it. I'll short that with you. I'll short it with you. I'll short it get $4 off of it. Oh my god. Good grief, guys. I mean, yeah, Nvidia is falling pretty darn good. Qs are falling pretty darn good. ES is falling pretty darn good. What's our 5 minute looking like? We fell pretty darn good.
I mean, the 5 minute looks beautiful to continue a short. I mean, right here's a little bit of support, but it's blowing right through it.
Yeah.
I mean, 718 easy.
Come on, let's go outside.
Order filled.
There we
Order
go.
filled.
Well, keep snagging a couple on the way down. So let's see if we get a bounce at 720s. Qs is still falling just a little. Man, look at the 1 hour on NQ. That's crazy, that wick.
Yeah, look at that, guys. That is insane.
All right, let's see. What the heck's she going to do?
Yeah, getting a little 1 o'clock action going in right here.
Oh, yeah, 2
2
o'clock.
o'clock your time, I guess, huh? Yeah.
Yep. Hmm.
Our 1 hour doesn't have any. Our 1 hour didn't make any wick on the bottom, so we're going to have to watch that for sure.
Man, I gotta admit, I made way too many trades today. 36 trades, and I'm down $84. That's not good.
That's fairly successful, isn't it, for that many trades? You probably paid
I,
that much in commission, didn't you? So you're probably
I
even.
guess. I mean, yeah, I lost 47. Yeah,
What's your
66%
how much
profitable.
commission did you pay? What did your commission say on that second line? $37, I
Oh,
think, is what it was.
yeah, correct. $37 in commission. Yeah,
So see, you're actually only down 50.
right. Yeah.
I want to see if we can get a little test of the 720 one more time, maybe, see if we hold it. Maybe even just a bounce to 727s.
Stop field.
Yep.
If it
There
holds
we
it,
go.
then
Field.
I took that quick little short.
yeah, nice.
Got that little guy. Man, I'm just my trades. I mean, that's why I have 37 trades now. Is I'm like targeting literally like 2 3 points right now. Nvidia's still looking real weak, man. ES is looking real heavy. Q's looking real heavy. All right, we're gonna pee real quick
Yes, sir.
and then come back to some momentum. Let's get some movement.
So that was kind of the retest right there. I mean, you think 668 zero dawn maybe?
Okay.
I could kind of see it wick through, yeah. I mean, it don't look near as bad on a 5. It's right there on a 5, right? At least those 680s. We don't have a very big area right there. So our bounce would kind of be not really just 680s right there, kind of.
Excuse me, you're taking up the whole room again. You gotta scooch over a little. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Kind of getting in that wedge a little bit.
Nvidia is trying to form a base. I'd feel a little bit better if ES or Qs could turn green. I guess Q is just slightly green.
I mean, VIX turned around, curled up, still pushing. I don't know, guys. Maybe this is the.
I mean, we're underneath that entire shelf. 733 is kind of like where that shelf stops.
Yeah.
Huh. But I mean, same thing at this point now. You think it'd go back up to 760 if it's going to fall down. You'd think it'd tap 760 before falling. Or if it's going to go up, you think it'd tap, 720s again before going up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I mean, we're kind of trying to form a little double bottom there with a little inversion, but I just don't. There's not. I mean, you look at the volume and there's really not any. I mean, you look at the 5.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can't even see a volume candle yet. Is that the perfect
Zero
short
Dawn goes, it's
opportunity?
hard for him to go long. What's that?
I said, was that the perfect short opportunity? But then it kind of, the way it kind of went down, bounced off the 9, but then it popped right back up. I'm going to try right there, just see if we can get just a hair teeny tiny pop.
Oh, you're trying long right there. Yeah.
Just to see if we got to go touch the 21.
Uh-huh.
Probably don't, but I can't tell if Zero Dawn's screaming at me not to do it, or I can't tell. Are you saying yes or no?
What time is it? 2:07. Come on. Something better than that. There's a 21 tap.
Here
Stop
we go. Look at
fish.
that.
With me. Oh, good push. Good push.
All right, runner hit. Not bad.
Not bad.
750 may reject and down. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking at, Zero Dawn. I kind of was thinking the downside's still definitely in play, but I thought we might have to wick through the 21 right there.
Order filled.
I like it. I like it. Now, I'm the only guy in the world that literally went in with 4 minis for 10 points to get to the 750 because y'all all said it was going down. So I just went full
Damn,
board
though.
long.
Well, how much you just make on that? That's a good friggin' pop, bud.
Yeah, it was. I think I made a little over 700. So
Fuck yeah. I'm over
But
here
don't-
battling my $6.50. I'm here with my $7. There you go.
I don't like to be a perma bear, but it has been paying. It has for sure. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Come on, let's see if we can get a better push this time. I'll try to hold this one a little longer if we can. Oh, what time is it? Nope.
We got 30 seconds left on this candle, so.
Nope. We're out.
Stop filled.
We're Damn, dude, little 4 minis. Shoot. Just punch you with 4 minis. Man, again, I've tried that so many times, and every time I try that, it goes against me, and the drawdown just pops before it recovers.
Oh, yeah.
And it's usually the correct, overall direction and idea, but it's just the timing is just so razor thin that, ugh, I don't get it.
Right, yeah. And we kind of have a little. I mean, there's a little bear flag set up.
Yeah, NVIDIA looks very flaggish, but Q's kind of looks like they did how they did last time they made that, it had that massive sell-off, the sell-off base for 4 candles, and then I had a huge pop, and then it just continued up.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going. I think we're going back up to the 760s. Let's see.
Yeah, I bought again at that 740 shelf, kind of just to kind of see.
Yeah.
We had a good pop. I should have took one off. I should have took one off, but I didn't. But I don't like that it rejected the 21 again. But
Hmm. 2 seconds left.
come on, guys, let's go.
Right. There we go.
Stop filled.
Kept it tight. Kept it tight. Kept it too tight.
I mean, on a 5 minute, it looks like we could get 755, 760, but I don't know.
VIX is coming back down. Everything's looking kind of good.
Order filled.
Man, I'm just playing this chop.
Stop filled.
Playing this chop $8 at a time.
Heck yeah.
Oh man.
Just need to pop. So we're up 10 points. I just need to pop that 850. It may stop me out. Yeah, it just stopped me out. So we got 10 more points out of that.
Nice, man. Very nice.
So we're up 1230 on this one right now.
Shoot, bud. I'm down $50. $48. I gotta hold longer. I need to do a much better job at holding longer.
Yeah, you need one mini and you need to get about 5 points.
I know, literally.
One mini and
Literally.
5 points.
And then we're good. Man, my problem is every single time I do that stuff, every single time, like right now, instead of me doing one, if I do 5, it's gonna go against me, and then it's like, well, there's $250, you know, and then I try it again. Oh, fuck, didn't work
I
again.
understand completely.
Oh, so aggravating.
And I do the opposite. I can lose $400 or $500 playing micros, and then switch to minis and get 20 points and be back to even.
Right, right. Yeah, I know, man. I mean, it's still just building support.
Yeah, I love how it just keeps popping right back up, but there's no wick at the bottom of that 1 minute right there. There's no wick at the bottom of this 5 minute. So I want to be a little cautious just in case it has to come down through 740 again real quick.
Oh, NVIDIA just turned red. So we'll see. NVIDIA's bear flag is finally starting to potentially play out.
So I think if we can get below, I mean, I guess you could already be in, but if we could get below 735,
Mm-hmm.
then maybe target the 700s.
Oof.
Is it too late?
As long as it doesn't go too fast. Still pushing. 10 seconds left on this candle.
Yeah, I don't know. Give me a little push down, and I'll go long. I'm not scared.
I ain't scared. I ain't scared no ghost.
I mean, definitely a bear flag if it can stay, if it can jump below this 29.
Man, I want to snag this short, but I don't know. Like I'm trying to put a buy in as, which that's kind of a dumb buy. In fact, I'm going to take that off. I would have gotten tagged in right there.
Yeah, Zero Dawn said Machine Gun Cowboy. He said that's what he's going to call me.
That's a good name, man. That's a good name. I like that one. All right, I think I'm going to target the shorts. Let's target the shorts. See
I
if
don't
we
blame you
can't
at
get.
all. I mean, this candle's trying to turn. Got a minute and a half left.
Oh shoot! I didn't realize that you went long. I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, it's okay. I've been in for a little while, so I think you're the right direction. Especially if this 5-minute candle can close under.
Shoot. I don't like it. I don't like it. I was hoping for a quick reaction down. Shoot.
Zero Dawn said
Average.
his average trade has been more than 30 minutes each.
Jeez, man.
I probably did that this morning one time, Zero Dawn, but if mine are over 30 seconds, the broker usually calls me and asks me if I was at my computer or.
Are you still alive? Are you
That's
doing
why-
okay?
That's why they made me put that heartbeat monitor on here so they can make sure I'm still okay if it's longer than 30 seconds. All right,
There we
stop me
go.
out right
Little
there.
reaction.
Good push down.
Little reaction down. Come on, keep going.
Stop filled.
Got stopped out with my 1.5 points.
Hey, that's good though. I mean, look at what happened.
Oh, yay! We're geniuses! We knew
See,
it.
Greg likes to watch the volume candles, and he really pays attention to those volume. And when he sees that volume switch, he goes ahead and gets out. Hold
I
on
think
just a
it's
second, guys.
good.
Got a call coming in. Y'all keep talking.
The second that Greg sees green, he gets out. I'm like, hey, I'm moving down 50. We're getting out. Hey, we're down 100. Let's keep averaging down. Yeah, we got to do. Maybe that'll be our challenge in a couple days. We'll do a. I don't know what it'd be. I guess no trades less than 30 minutes. That would be an interesting challenge. No trades less than 30. What EMAs do you use, Greg? Ah, man. Depends on the day. So it's one of those things that I've been just switching my strategy and style a lot lately, which I obviously shouldn't be doing. You know, stick to your strategy that kind of works and just continue with it. I really like trading cowboy strategy though, so I've been slowly switching it over to his styling, I would say. But EMA wise, if you can see him on the screen here, so green one is 9, red one is 21. So obviously right now, since red is above green, we should only be looking for shorts. That's why I did green and red. So 9, 21, and then I have my 45 is up here on the blue, and then above that we have the 200 all the way up here. For everything else, like NVIDIA, ES, Qs, VIX, I was just using the 9, and now I've switched it out to just using the 200 on those to try to give me a little bit of parameter there. Besides that, so 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Besides that, there was also somebody that suggested, and I don't even remember what it is anymore, this thing. Trend line and channel is this white dash, you know, white, white, and then it has this white dash in the middle. So I found that one's been pretty good. If it goes to the outside band like you're seeing now, usually we have some type of a reaction into it. So that one's been okay as well. Then ATR, I do like having ATR on there. Pivots honestly doesn't pop up as much as it used to. It used to pop up all the time. And then VWAP as well. So if I'm being honest, I'm still looking at way too much stuff. I mean, kind of like you saw on my stream as well. I have all this stuff too. You know, here's my Lux Algo that's rocking in the corner too. That shows that we're trending up at the moment with some good volume and sentiment. Man, that's so funny. The Trading Cowboys heartbeat monitor is still hooked up for this phone call. He just spiked at 92. What's the guy talking about?
I wonder
Yeah,
what it'd get to if I
absolutely,
started
man.
yelling. I wonder how high it would get.
Yeah, I know, right? See where it peaks out at. See where we
Yeah.
peak. Man, Zero Dawn again. Thank you for for being here and for kind of showing your insights and everything else. It sounds like you're an absolutely monster of a trader, man. So
Yeah.
thoroughly
He is for
appreciate
sure.
you, hanging out with us here.
Yeah, I'm excited every time he jumps on. So
Yeah.
we
And
need
you
to
have a
just get
channel
a.
too, right? Zero Dawn, don't you have your own? You have your YouTube channel as well?
He doesn't, but he's been trading really well for. I mean, this is all he does. Kind of. It's kind of cool to think though. You're doing big fireplaces and stuff right now,
Uh-huh.
and this 2 weekends ago he went over and finished his fireplace. So he
No
does
way.
masonry work and stuff like that on the side. He used to do it all the time,
Yeah.
but yeah, he does all kinds of stone and masonry and all that. So
Dude, I know, man. I'm getting excited about it. I'm still talking to my buddy about it. I almost pulled the trigger on a 7x16 trailer yesterday, to make like a little mobile office and everything to see if we can't start banging out some fireplaces. I mean, at 15,
oh yeah,
15 grand a pop, it really wasn't too bad.
yeah.
Let me see. Hold on, Zero Don. I'll show you what I'm working on. Let's see if we can figure this thing out. Google, Google Drive.
Yeah, you got to show him. I was telling him about it.
Oh, which you know what? This isn't my. I'm not in control here. What do I do? You know what? We're just not going to overcomplicate this. We're just going to show it on the phone. It won't be the best quality, but you'll get the idea. All right, let's see. Can we see? Oh, yeah, you can see that good enough. All right, hold on. So this isn't showing the fire. That's the fireplace in the middle, which you can't see it that well, but then we just finished off those built-ins, and the cabinet is what we're working on right now, which I didn't show that too well, but
Nice. That's awesome. And for part of that, you had to be like 20 foot in the air, right?
Oh fuck yeah, dude. Yeah, so here shows a photo of it instead. So it's hold on. Hold on, guys. Oh, you stupid thing. We can do better than that, can't we? There we
There it is.
go.
Yeah, look at that.
So yeah, it's
Look how nice
eight
that
foot
is.
wide, 20 foot tall. So we did the fireplace. We just did all those built-ins I showed you. We hung that chandelier, and then we did all the the flooring that you're seeing on the ceiling, or
Yeah.
trim work that you're seeing on the ceiling. But yeah, pretty darn fun project. Not bad at all. And that was my first time ever doing something like that too. Very cool, man. I like copper ceilings. Yeah, Florida's big on that, especially the 2 story tall, open to blows, and all that stuff. Shoot,
Yeah,
man, we're
we
just
looked at a couple houses even here. We looked at a couple houses this weekend, and they had them in the living room and in the bedrooms.
yeah, hell yeah, for that 1031 exchange, huh?
We're still working on it. Yeah, we're getting closer.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. How many properties do you have to get?
well, I mean, I'm focusing on one main one right now.
Yeah,
Probably going to sell our house that we're in, and then
yeah,
we're kind of pushing to see. I don't know how big I want to go, man. I mean,
yeah,
I'm kind of thinking buy like a little, 6 to 10 kind of apartment deal. But
yeah.
one
Hell
came
yeah.
up the other day that's 55 units. But oh,
Yep.
do I want to go that big? 55 units? I don't know
I
how
mean,
deep
it
my
depends on
pockets are. I
everything.
mean,
Yeah, it depends on Avita and everything else, man. Or what do those 55 units look like? I mean, if they're 55 units and every single one of them needs to be renovated, that's a little different than 55 and turnkey.
yeah, it's about 60-70% of it needs to be. It doesn't have to be because some are
Yeah.
rented, but about 35% of it has already been renovated, remodeled, and stuff.
Okay.
But
Yeah. And what's
I
the
mean the money's there, but I mean I think it's a little over 3.5 million.
yeah.
Put 700 down. That's not terrible, but
Yep.
I don't know. I mean, $22,000 a month payment. Ugh.
Yeah, dude. Getting married into that. Yeah.
Uh,
Especially because you're in jumbo territory and everything else for the loan. So I mean, it's been too. I've been out of it for too long, so I don't know what rates are for jumbo, but it's probably still what 6.5, 7, something like
yeah,
that.
yeah. I mean, I think the best they kind of quoted was like 5.9.
5.9. Wow, for a jumbo though. I mean, again, I've been out of it for a while, but 5.9 for a jumbo for that price tag, that's pretty
But
damn
I think
good.
that was me showing. I think 30% down. I think or something. So paying it down a
Yeah,
little bit. But
yeah, yeah, yeah. What's the occupancy like?
right now it's like 90, 95. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
it's there. I mean the income and all is there, but I mean I don't know. That scares me.
It's scary. Well, plus you're gonna have to. It's almost a curse that it's at 90% full
Right? Yeah.
already because you're gonna have to go in and start renovating and kick everybody out.
Yeah. Exactly.
And that's always, yeah, that stinks a little. That's actually what's happening here in Winter Garden right by us. Is there's this like historic Winter Garden that has it's like a little mom and pop style main street that has probably like 20 or 30 local mom and same thing mom and pop shop style businesses and stuff. And because the value in the area has exploded so much over the last 5 years, 9 of those buildings have just sold in the last year, and everybody that's been in there for like the last 15 to 20 years now is getting kicked out. And that's what they
Oh
plan on
yeah.
doing is they're gonna
Yeah.
make it pretty, and then they're gonna have to jack up rent pretty considerably because the last owners, owned it probably again for the last 5 or 10 years. So they've had it for much lower price points, much lower interest rates, and everything.
Yeah. And I think that's kind of one of the only things that kind of is appeasing is that there is enough renovation to do
Yeah,
that
there's potential, right?
you renovate it and then you have it for maybe 2 years and then I think the potential's there to just go in and say, okay, now let's get it reappraised.
Yeah,
Now it's worth 5 million, but
right. Yeah, time to flip it.
it's
Yeah,
not every day you just go in and try to get borrow $3 million and
right. Yeah, man. I mean, like I said, I think we talked about it before. One of my biggest regrets is not pulling the trigger on a. It was the same thing. It was like a 25 building complex or something like that. And by purchasing it, you also had rights, first right of refusal to the land across the street, where you could build another 25. And it was like maybe 2 months into COVID happening, so we decided not to do it. Um, and man, we would have crushed it. We would have killed it if we had just pulled the trigger on that thing.
Yeah,
So
I don't know. Makes me nervous. I mean, I'm thinking, well, just don't do anything and just.
coast. Yeah, I know, man. You're in that. Yeah, yeah. You're in that weird spot. You can almost coast, but it's like you could also kill it. You know. So it's
Oh
like, what
yeah,
do we
I
do?
mean,
So it finally came all the way down here to 708. So the shorts is short, and Zero Dawn is still rocking and rolling. He's up 300 points now. The tallest fireplace I've ever done is 25 feet. It was in a restaurant. Nice, man. Yeah, we thought that this was an 18 footer, and then it ended up being a 20 footer. And then with the coffered ceiling, it's 21 feet. But yeah, that was a nice one. My neighbor next door is doing a two-story home, 6,000 square feet. He's doing 12-foot ceilings down and then 10-foot ceilings up.
oh
So that's
wow,
going to be a big home. Yeah. And I don't
wow.
know if he has I can't remember if he has an open to below or not. But yeah, that would be a huge open to below.
Oh yeah,
That'll be a tall one.
wow.
Good grief. That is a lot of upfront capital expense. What was the price per door on the complex, Cowboy?
Well, 55 units, so it was
Yeah.
3.6 total. And that's what kind of the average, because they were 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and 1 bedroom, 1 bath.
Yeah.
I think the average rent right now was roughly right at 50,000 a month was the gross.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a lot of good side potential there, but I mean, let's be honest, I would pretty much blow my whole load on the down payment and just for a
Yeah.
couple months,
Right.
and that's the only thing that happens. I mean, and I'm thinking super negative, right? But if I didn't have any money come in for 6 months, I'd be finished.
Yeah, dude. I know it, man. So literally the same thing just happened to us a year ago. We're sitting on all this money from the sale of my house and stuff like that, and we were looking to open a like a Pilates studio. And same thing, it was going to be about 18 to 20 grand a month after you did like rent, overhead, all the expenses and stuff. And it's the same exact thing, man. It was like if we have 6 bad months, like we're fucked. And then like
Yeah,
you're locked into that contract and stuff like that. When you're fucked on that level, like you're fucked. So it's just a little bit too scary for us to take on as well. And I don't know, man. I'm still kind of, I don't know. We've tried 6 businesses now that haven't worked out.
mm,
So we're
yeah,
really trying to find that, you know, we're really trying to find that seventh, that lucky number seven.
zero
Zero
dawn.
Dawn,
What
what
do
is the age of the structure? How old is the building?
it's most all of it was 1970, and then they remodeled it like in the late 90s,
Yep.
and so it's coming up 25, 30 years since the last
Oh yeah. So it'll be
major.
some
But like I said,
major.
35, 40% of it's redone right now. But and
Yeah.
the other ones weren't terrible, but I don't know if you could do a deal where you could just start doing them as people move out. You could kind of start taking a couple of them and redo them, or
Right.
but I would kind of be looking at the long, the not really the quick dollar, but I'd like to get in there and remodel those as fast as you could,
Do the
and
2 year
then get a
flip.
reappraisal on
Right.
them, and then maybe do like a DSCR loan back out or something, or
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yep. Yeah, 100%. And then well, it's just like you're thinking about too is hit that 2 year mark too for taxes and everything, and then you're good. Then it's
Yeah,
time to flip. Then you just put a pretty sign on it, smack some black paint on the asphalt, and you're good to go.
yeah.
Well, we just got to make $3 million today. Make $3 million today. Easy decision. You know, done deal.
Well, if Zero Dawn would have called out that short this morning, I probably could have done that.
Right? Big game with risk, but has the potential for a good reward, though. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Bringing everything up to code. I didn't think about that. You have 50 years of bringing everything up to code, too.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be tricky. And that's what all that added together. I mean, I'm thinking, okay, there's a lot of really good risk to reward, but I'm thinking, well, I mean, I don't have to do anything right now, and I could just live like this forever.
Right.
And then I'm thinking, but I mean, it wouldn't be that hard just to start over.
Well, and
me and my wife has had nothing before, guys. I mean, nothing. I mean,
right. Sometimes though, I gotta say though, man, out of experience, you'll be surprised about your burn rate. Like
right.
4 years ago when I retired and sold the house and everything, I was like, man, we're good for at least 20 years now, 30 years, and here it is 4 years later, and I'm like, we spent how much last year and how much the year before?
Yeah.
Yeah, Zero Dawn, not trying to be a negative Nancy, but know how that stuff sneaks up. Yeah, bud.
Yeah, I mean, I think just I think the insurance is like $4,000 a month. The taxes are right at $5,000 a month. Ugh, I mean,
oh yeah,
and that's something you'd have to pay forever after you paid everything,
Plus, you got to do well unless you move to Florida, right? Florida just the vote just got approved 80-20 for the next step of taking away our property taxes. My God.
And Texas is right behind y'all. We're just a little lagging, so.
Yeah, you'll get there. Man, this thing just keeps friggin' shorting. Like I don't want to chase it now that we're at the bottom. I mean, I've been chasing it all day. Let's be honest. Can we just get a little quick one down? Another little quick reaction down? Break the 700s real quick.
Yeah, I mean, I think we need to wick through the 701s, but.
Oh wait, you went long the second I went short, huh?
Oh no, I've been long for 4 candles.
Oh, okay.
As soon as that one wicked down and shot back up, I went long, and the next candle just went straight down. So.
Yeah.
So I just started talking to y'all instead.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm thinking too. Is I don't know if my mental game is too strong anymore for trading.
And whenever you want to jump off, feel free to jump off. So.
Yeah, man. Oh, see, look at that. Almost got stopped, but I didn't let it go yet. Oh shit. Yeah, I should have let it go.
Stop filled.
Darn it. You just get that point where you stop having any type of I can't even think any longer, right? But any type of something with a C, conviction.
Oh yeah.
All that conviction.
Yeah, a lot of times you don't have the conviction, but you're like, well, I need to trade.
I gotta trade though, but I gotta be in one. I don't got the conviction, but I gotta be in one.
Zero Dawn seen it, but we've had people come in here and literally, I'm not in a trade, and they'll say, "Do you ever put any trades on live?"
Do you ever do a trade? Like, you just sit here.
Yeah, and I'm like, I just blew up 4 accounts. What are y'all talking about? Like,
we made 37 trades today. There you go, Zero Dawn.
Zero Dawn.
There's your 700 tap, which I just got stopped out for small little loss. Yeah, I'm terrible at holding stuff.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to put you in a class with Zero Dawn where I think we need to have your screen and you tell us where you want to get in. We'll put you in it, and then we'll tell you when you're getting out.
Right, exactly, man. Just click the mouse for me. Well, that's my thing too. Is so many times I'll even kind of like I'll have a higher time frame thesis. I'll be like, we're going here, and then boom, we do it. But
yeah.
Like earlier, earlier today, we literally talked about the 820s. And here it is.
Oh
It
yeah,
kissed 820s perfectly and then came back down. Though,
yeah,
admittedly, we were talking about it too when it was down here. So it came up, then ripped all the way back down before it made that push. But
yeah. I mean, I kind of have 690 as maybe the bottom, but just if it bounce off that.
it makes sense. VIX is still popping though. $242.
Getting close to power hour.
Shoo! Man, that is technically kind of like our support line too. The
Yeah, I
last
mean,
two
this is
like
kind of the
dips.
perfect place. I kind of drew the lows a while ago, and it's real flat, but that's kind of where it's sitting right now, is right on that. So
Yeah.
Zero Don Booyah, yeah, it hit 700. I saw that.
Oh yeah, dude. Still breaking that line. So what the heck would we go to? I mean, wick 677, maybe a 677 wick at this point.
Yeah, I mean, do we just target the 668 then?
Yeah, it kind of seems hard to believe that we're just friggin' crushing with no quit. Hmm.
Little bounce there, trying to pop back over that 690.
Order rejected.
Hmm.
Nice push up off the 84. What is
Yeah.
84? Nothing really? Not really, huh? Oh, yeah, that was our bottom earlier. That was our shelf earlier
Mm-hmm.
at 9 this morning, or 10. Dang, I got stopped out, he said. Zero Dawn finally got stopped.
Dang.
That's a heck of a trade, though, from 798, huh?
Dude, right? Huge monster friggin' trade.
With one mini?
Yeah. 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 Huge stinking trade.
All right, I'm going to try two there long at the shelf, 695. See if we can get any kind of push.
Darn it. Yeah, I was still going short. I'm going to try to stop myself out then. Nvidia's still pushing down though.
Yeah, don't change your conviction if that's the way you're going. I mean, if we
I
can
mean,
get
I
under
don't
this
got no conviction.
693,
Yeah.
it will be the low for sure. But zero Dawn
Nope.
798 to 686.
Damn.
Heck of a trade. Heck of a trade.
Order filled.
All right, well, fine. We'll try the other way then. You stupid.
I mean, it's kind of hard to say. I mean, it pushed up there over the 9 and pulled right back down. So I don't like that candle we made there. So maybe we get a good push this time. I hate when a candle closes clear.
Yeah.
But I feel better that Zero Dawn got stopped out. So that means that the bottom may be done. Because when he's in, I know it's not done. So.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Oh, man. Not my day. Not my day. Look at this puppy behind me. Hello, little puppy. Hello, little puppies. Man, the only thing giving me pause is Nvidia is still falling.
Yeah, and I mean, if you look, I mean, it went right back down. I mean, and yeah, Nvidia is really crashing now, isn't it?
$248. Oof. We got 1 minute left.
There's a little pop we need. Let's keep going. Just keep going. Let's start squeezing those shorts.
Order filled.
Come on, go inverse head and shoulders. This is going to be the head. Come back to the 730 shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be awesome right there, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Order filled.
Man, it's looking good for it on everybody's 5 minute. Hmm.
Okay, here's the close of our 5-minute candle right here. We got to push down, so that's usually not just real good. Nice push back up. It's trying to reclaim.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Monster push. Let's go. Oh, wakes me out already. I'm back in. I don't care.
I'm back in.
I mean, I like that the 5-minute kind of wicked to 698 and pushed straight back up.
Mm-hmm.
698's our support, I hope. Just got a huge doji candle. Why don't we get that push? We're going into power hour 2 in the next 9 minutes, so. Oh, I'm just gonna wick all the way down. Are you serious? Are we gonna get the lows now, Greg?
Ugh.
Order filled.
Yeah, a little nuts.
Come on. Give us a push now. You wick down there. You popped right back up. Back to the 9.
Come on, baby.
We need to get over 708, 710. I don't know how that 5 could look so good and then look so bad.
Right.
NVIDIA looks fairly decent. I mean, ES went down on the 5, retested half the candle, pushing back up. We won't talk about VIX. Give us something good. We
Order
got my
filled.
friend Greg on the stream. We need something that'll run
We
100
need
points
some.
before he can get it. Before he can get
We
out.
need something big.
We need something so
Literally.
fast he can't get out in time. Before
Yeah, that I can't get out quick enough. Exactly, man. Exactly.
Oh, don't do that. Be nice.
Order filled.
Okay, my stop, I guess, will be if we break below 690, I guess. I feel like if I get out, though, it's going to turn around like it is kind of right now.
Oh,
and
it
we'll
always
get a big
does.
push up.
Right. Yep.
Coming into our 5-minute close. Maybe we'll get this big 50-second push coming up. Okay, we push down, though. Let's just rip up.
Come on, baby. Gotta love TBT.
Yeah, for real. I don't know if y'all saw me flip one while ago, but I had one that just needed just the flip day because I've already passed it. I just got to get the day in, so I always do one micro, and I get in and get out as fast as I can.
We traded there. You saw it, right?
I think I lost 50 cents on the trade, but I got in and out. Man, we really didn't get that push, guys, so I don't know what's going to happen when this one opens. Okay, well, maybe that push down happened fast enough we didn't get hurt too bad. We need to get that push up, though. Shorts and longs paid today, yeah, for sure. Except unless you're in a long right now, and it's not paying.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Ride it, Greg. Ride it.
We got one left. I know, man. I always try. I start looking at the. I don't know.
I mean, it does look weak. It's really struggling. NVIDIA doesn't look just the best.
It's looking so stinking and
I mean,
VIX keeps popping up.
VIX is curling back up pretty hard. ES is looking really weak. But we're still getting a little bit of pop on NQ, so I don't know.
Yep.
It is dancing on my short trend line.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
same here. I don't know if you can see it on mine, Zero Dawn, but yeah, I was bouncing right off of it. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Take a couple off right there. I'll take one more off right there. Got one left. See if we can ride it for just a little bit.
Yeah, right up here at the 45.
That's kind of the 9 on a 5 minute, 7:12 area. Zero Dawn says nice pump. Yeah, and it's really easy to get in those pumps, Zero Dawn. If you just try to get in long all day long, eventually you catch one of them.
Right.
I mean, that's what they say about a broke clock, right? It's right. It's a broke clock's always right twice a day.
Yep.
All right, stops at 7:05. My runner. Was kind of hoping we could get 7:25, 7:30.
Yeah. Or 7:30s, you think. I mean, it depends on if NVIDIA keeps pushing here or curls down a little bit.
Yeah. And my runner was hit. I mean, NVIDIA, I think, was the only thing that saved us, and it didn't even look strong when it started pumping. So.
Yeah. Shoot, man. We need a big trade. Ugh.
And see, I hate how it does that too. I mean, it made a little higher high right here compared to 10 minutes ago.
Just to come all the way back
And
down.
I pushed all the way back down. So now do we get that flush for the low? Or does it bounce right here again?
I feel like there's a better chance of it flushing this time, but I am almost tempted.
I mean, it's getting below our
Yeah,
trend line
line.
to the downside. So all right, if it comes back up to right here, I'll try a little short. Oh, barely missed me. Oh,
Order
come
filled.
on.
Shoot, man. Well, let's hope it momentum. Let's get some momentum.
It missed me by a point and 1.75 ticks.
Well, lucky you, because I hit short right when it slipped. It punched me in right at the stinking bottom.
Here comes our 2 o'clock candle, guys. So it's trying to just close above that trend line, right? But it's definitely going to close below it. There's the good push down. Is this going to be a nice little bear flag, or what are we doing? I'm just going to set it, and if it comes through here, oh, no, it's going to pump.
Yep.
Well, welcome to 2 o'clock, Greg.
Yeah.
And now you know why you stop your stream at 11.
Right? 100%, man. Oh, we're down 150 on the day now. Little wood to chop.
All right, so this candle's going to close. What are we going to get out of this? Is this a huge fake out?
Order filled.
All the smart people aren't trading right now. That's why Zero Dawn's being so quiet.
Right. Greg, do you prefer short or long biased? Um, Probably short, generally speaking, if I'm being honest, though I'm trying to transition that to longs instead because all this market has done for the last year is go up, you know? So it's kind of hard being a biased bear.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, like Zero Dawn said earlier, though, the shorts are paying the last week or so. So
Yeah.
Order filled.
If we fail at 700, I think we go lower.
yeah,
That's what we're hoping for. We're at 680s now, 690s. Let's get a nice push. Oh,
Stop
shoot.
filled.
That thing got wicked up quick. I was just about to start trailing that down, too. Yeah, I mean, we got to be a little cautious here because this is basically the previous 1 hour. This is right where we stopped there. Come on, what a day. Why can't we have a really nice day?
I could see as well before the end of the day we could get a push to get the bulls excited. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I was thinking a 730 push, if I was being honest. I was pretty sure we'd get a 730 push.
Order filled.
Because of power hour, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, even on the 1 hour, we've broke back below. I mean, we're getting a small push back up, but we broke back below.
Order filled. Order rejected. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, shoot. 304. 305 now, actually.
Nice pump, though. Nice pump.
Average candle range is down to 10. That's making things a little difficult. God, look at that. Way too many trades. I got to start hiding my trades. See, that was another thing, man. When I first started this stream, I don't know. Again, it's just, you just never know the correct way. When I first started the stream, I was only doing NQs. I was making sure I was only doing like 3, 4, 5 trades a day. And I feel like I was having a lot more like $600 days, $700 days when I was doing that. Now that I've switched
I
to
did
NQ, yeah, switched to M and Q to try to control me holding stuff longer, and instead I only held losing trades longer, not winning trades longer. And yeah, thank you one.
All right, let's see if we can switch over here. MNQ, here we go.
I would probably the exact opposite. I need to switch over to NQ and just start doing everything that you do. Hide the red. Yeah, exactly. Hide the red.
I usually don't have red accounts though, Zero Dawn. I mean, mine's either green or blown. So
Yeah.
there's not really a point in there you can show the red because it's either gone or green.
Yeah, man. That's me too. I'm down 91 right now. But again, just like way too many stinking trades. Like, actually, I'm only down 35, but now I have $56 in friggin' fees because I made 54 stinking trades today.
What do I have? Let me see. This, of course, I just started. I just opened this one a while ago. 84%, 13 trades. My average trade time 3 minutes.
Damn.
$65 in commission. We're up $1,000.
Damn. See?
At one point, we were down $100 was the lowest drawdown.
All right. Next trade, we'll go in with 5, and we'll try to hold it for at least a minute, if we can. So we got to make it a good.
Probably not.
Right.
Forget it. We're not doing it.
Okay, I'm done. No more YouTube.
I love it.
Here comes Gatlin gun cowboy. That's funny. I didn't see the Gatlin gun part.
He Zero Dawn freaks out when I switch to the micros because he knows, oh shoot, this guy's gonna buy. It doesn't matter. I mean, he saw me on the stream before, and he's like, oh, okay, well, yeah, he's doing, take profit trader. You're doing micros. I can buy 60 of them. So I just.
That's so funny. That last trade was over an hour hold. Oh god,
Yeah.
dude. Yeah, I got to get into that, man.
And that's why
That's
we need to
gonna
have you on, Zero Dawn. I mean, we need to have you on just so you can talk us through it, work on it.
Yeah, bud. I agree. Let's have you on, sir. Wow, VIX is spiking pretty good. ES is still falling. Qs are falling a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, VIX had a nice V recovery. I'm kind of wondering, we're kind of getting to the top right here where it rejected VIX, so I wonder if we get a little turnaround maybe. I mean, NVIDIA just doesn't look good, though. I mean, on a 15-minute, we're clearly below our bottom trend line.
Still pushing. I mean, honestly, probably the safer thing to do is let it push and then try to catch the try to get to the long reversal after it does. Let the move happen.
Yeah, and it's hard to see that because you're thinking, okay, well, this is support, but if it breaks, we'll easily get to that bottom. But if it doesn't break, then you look like a fool because you shorted it at the bottom.
Right.
Zero Dawn said he likes to set a stop and take profit and walk out of the room sometimes. Me and Greg do that too, but we listen, and if one of us starts hollering, we run back in the room real quick.
Hey, dude. I know there's so many times too that like I'll leave the room to go do something, like I'll go do the garbage cans or something, like I'll walk off screen and then like really quick, like you look really fast, like yeah, all right, and then you walk off and then like.
And then you sprint to the trash can carrying the garbage.
Right.
See, it keeps pulling back up, and that's where it usually tricks me. I mean, is this going to be a nice... I mean, are we going to hold here? And oh, I don't know, Chad. I mean, the 15 minutes says to stay, not to do anything. Hold your short if you're in a short. Okay, Vix was almost to the top of that channel.
And it is coming down a little bit. But same thing, Nvidia is still coming, kind of coming down just a little too. I mean, I think we have to have a push down before we push up.
Yeah, I really don't know why we haven't already pushed that low, but I mean, do we just wait for it to come up to the 695, short it? Hope that's the
I
right
don't
way.
know. I know, right? Well, I like what you were saying though. VIX is, going up, but there's a chance that it could bunk its head right here.
Yeah, if this is kind of the area that it stops, I mean, that 2175.
And same thing, Nvidia. You could draw a trend line there. Nvidia's kind of at maybe support. Q's could be at the
Yeah.
bottom. ES could be at the bottom. So it's definitely a potential turnaround point. Oh, Jetty, you can't get out. Man, if Nvidia loses 190.21, that would make a little difference. Man, this is a long day of trading. I can't believe you do this every single day. This is a long time to talk and communicate and get your mental focused and everything.
Yeah, it's a little different when you're having just a killer day where you can't lose, but
Right. Yeah, exactly. Days like this, it's kind of like, whoa, you fancy motherfucker! Look at this guy.
got over
Did you
500
see him?
points today.
Juicy trade. Yeah, I'm talking about your desk, man.
Oh
You
yeah.
stand up and go. Bzzz.
Oh yeah, I'm all the way up right now. Yeah.
Shoo! I almost bought one of those too. I almost bought a whatever, lifting desk, mechanical desk, electronic desk.
Man, it's great.
Zero
I mean,
done.
it took a little bit to put together, but I love it. Especially in the afternoon like this, I can stand up for a minute and.
Yeah. Dang,
Well,
man. Yeah, I would love that.
I thought that was going to be a nice up move right there, but.
Zero Dawn got over 500 points today. That's
Yeah.
crazy, man. Absolutely crazy.
I think I got him beat though, because this morning I ended up going 40 contracts long, and it dropped 100 points. So technically, that means I lost like 4,000 points or something.
Damn.
Right?
So we win. Basically, what we're saying is we win. That's funny.
So I gave you 500 of those points, probably. Both longing and shorting. Well, yeah, and you caught that nice long there too a while ago. We're missing this long right here where I said this would be a good turnaround.
Yeah, what time is it? It's 3:15. We got 20 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if we get a halfway retracement.
Yeah, I don't like that it wicked through 707. Let's see what happens though. Look at our 15. We're trying to get back above that trend line. Okay, so instead of jumping in right there, let's see if it pushes back through. And if it pushes back through, we'll buy it as it pushes back up.
What do we got? We got 30 seconds left.
I shorted the top of that wick. Okay, let me rethink what I'm doing here then.
Oh. Yeah, just gives you a little bit of pause there.
And I probably would have done the same thing too, Zero Dawn. I mean, I like the fast wicks like that. It was a little bit slower than I thought, but
Oh man, my neck and back.
well, if you'll just raise your desk and stand for a minute, Greg, you'll feel better.
I know it, man. Oh, should have got the fancy desk. I honestly didn't think I'd ever use it, but I agree now. Dang, y'all still trading? Yeah, guitar guy.
Hey, guitar
How we
guy.
doing today, bud? How you doing today, man? Are you green, you red, or did you decide to stay out? Or did you decide to trade demos? Hopefully,
demos.
we're only trading demos. 3:18, 10 seconds in, wick back down. Still pushing down though. I don't know, Nvidia's still pushing up.
Yeah, I keep thinking, okay, maybe this is a little bull flag, but I mean, as long as it didn't go any lower than this, it kind of wicked through that last wick. Yeah, there's that push up. So.
Order rejected.
Oh, I don't like this. Actually, I put the wrong stuff on here. Fills and orders. Hold on. Show orders. Let's show those orders. Okay, we got some orders in now. We should probably show the fills too. What the fuck?
Stop filled.
All right. Come on, don't stop right there. Keep going.
Stop filled.
Ah. All right, got a little bit back. Down 63 on the day.
Took it at
690. I don't have accounts to trade right now, so I'm out for a little while. We'll do trade the demos. Trade the Trade of 8 demos, my friend.
Yeah, for real. Go to that and trade the demos and just watch and follow us, and we'll kind of tell you what we're doing.
Yeah. Trade the demos. The demos. And trust me, you'll come back such a much better trader.
Yeah, I mean, I did that yesterday even on that new trade seed that came out that I have my Lucids on. I just went ahead and opened the demo and traded it for like an hour last night. So
yeah, it makes you feel good, right?
Yeah,
especially when
does,
I mean you put on big size anyways, but
especially when it's a demo. I mean, it's when you can put on 10 minis.
Yeah, right. 50 minis. I can afford it. I can afford it. I trade all the moves today on TPT. I mean, at the same time, though, you've been holding for like a half an hour, so you've been doing the right thing, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So here we have 320. We've kind of triple bottomed, haven't we? On just about everything we've triple bottomed, except for Nvidia, as trended up.
Yeah, we got 9 minutes coming up till the Robin Hooders are starting to get kicked out, kind of. So once they start getting out and having to sell all their contracts, that'll change a little bit.
Because we definitely, I mean, there's a huge shelf there, 735, and we still haven't retested it yet. Like, even if we were to go down, you would think we would retest 735 before going down, right?
Yeah, you would really think we'd get that little pop over, but
after I feel confident trading a demo, I'll probably trade with you guys. Hell yeah, man. That's the whole point. Yup. Get them feet wet.
Sink or swim, right? I mean,
Shoo.
that's Greg's whole channel, guys.
That's my whole channel.
Order filled.
It's about the sinking and hopefully a little bit about the swimming.
You hear me?
Nobody's listening to you, Jackie. I don't have the balls of steel like Cowboy has to trade 4 minis per account. I trade 1 mini per 5 accounts, but you're still holding a mini over a half an hour, man. Holding anything.
yeah.
I can't even hold a micro after over a half an hour. Man. I mean, well, let's say that correctly. I can hold a losing trade for as long as she needs, you know. But holding a green trade, like me right now, I'm up $4.50. It's taken everything in me not to put a stop in here right now. You know, I'm up $7. Let's put in the stop. You know, let's have this thing not sledge down to $6.67 because then that's a $50 loss instead of a $7 gain, right? So man, I'm just like, I mean, literally, I'm getting pretty nervous about this. I'm about to gray button this bitch.
Oh, guys.
Literally, man, it's hard, that mental game. You're cracking me up.
And it is hard, too, because, I mean, everybody can see your screen. It's different when they can't see your screen.
Yeah, true.
But when everybody sees your screen, you're like, okay.
Right. They're like, what is this idiot doing now?
Yeah. They're either going to call you a pansy because you have a stop, or call you a pansy because you're trailing it.
Right. Guitar guy, that sounds like that comedian joke boat ride, put out or swim. Did I mention that's a long damn swim? Put out or swim. Did I mention that's a long damn swim? Yeah, that's funny. There was a Always Sunny in Philadelphia episode that was like that too, where Dennis was trying to get girls on the boat and doing exact that, like when they're out to sea, being like, all right, well, it's a long swim back. What do you think? And everybody's like, man, that's a little rapey, you know? All right, we're putting a stop in. Up $10, time for a stop.
Look at that, chat.
Look at that. This is how you do it, chat. This is how you ride them candles. Shoo! Look at that. 10 points? 11 points?
I mean, if we can get over this 704, 705 and hold, then I'd feel a lot better about this trade. So.
Yeah, I know it, man. I mean, this is the stuff that always screws up my mental too. Is the second I get out is when it just rocket ships. I mean, Nvidia's looking great. VIX is looking great for a fall down. ES is looking good for a push. Q's is looking good for a push. I think I said it wrong, but you get the joke. Yeah, guitar guy, I get it.
For sure.
Yeah, that's funny.
Next stop. Nobody wants to hear you.
Dang it, man. Yeah, it seems bound and determined to pop to 714 now. The second I got out of it.
Yeah, I mean, it's really fighting at that 705, but if he can get above it. I mean, I'm wanting to think, we had a downtrend all day, kind of. And so I think all the Robin Hooders, all the option stuff that are going to get closed out at 2:30, hopefully they're all shorts, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we get a little pop. I mean, that was kind of that candle close there tells me it's going to reject now, but the 9 finally crossed over the 21 on that previous candle, so.
Well, look, the VIX just gapped down. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Last night
I'm feeling some FOMO.
Your big
Order
bear.
filled.
Yeah, I was sad I didn't have my big old bear last night. You're right. Little guy.
Come on, get over 705. Close over 705.
Oh, why? What'd they think of your shirt?
Like old Miss Ashley.
What'd you think?
She said, maybe Coach Rod will follow you.
Oh, wow. Nice.
He's been trying to learn how to train, I guess.
Is he? Come on.
Starting to get some wicks up if we could just get that push.
Mm-hmm. Well, like you said, it might be waiting 2.5 more minutes.
Yeah, I don't want
So
it to
hopefully-
rip to the downside and then try to push back up, but
Oh, I know. That's what I was literally about to just say. Greg, from what I've seen, I don't think it's wise to fade trading Cowboy. Yeah, I 100% agree with you, man. And I'm not at the moment. He's green because he had a better entry than me. I'm red right now, but we're both in the long.
yeah. I think if we can hold the 9 here now, that candle just pushed right back up.
We got 2 minutes left. Come on, baby. How many? You have two. Yeah, but you're two NQs. You have two NQs right now.
Two micros, yeah.
Oh, two
Yeah, I
micros.
swapped
Oh,
over
okay.
with you, so
Oh, okay. Come on, minute and a half.
that's why Zero Dawn said Gatling gun Cowboy comes out because I tend to buy too many of them. So
Pop, 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 pop.
Yep.
I know,
there's
man.
our 705 push.
Come on, let's see a break. Break, and then we got a break 7:15.
I'm gonna take one off right there, so I got one left, and we're just gonna try to let it ride.
Well,
Stop
I
film.
just held mine real tight. I found it
Find
easy
it.
to fade Patrick. Yeah, man. Patrick's a wild man. He's a wild
He is.
man.
Yeah,
And that's the hard thing is because, yeah, he's the king of, like, just not caring. So he can go in a short. He can ride it down 30, 40 points, and then he'll just, double, triple, quadruple his position at that point and then get out in 10 points, and it'll be for, like, a $40,000 gain. And you're like, wait, what?
yeah. What just
Everybody else's
happened?
account just got blown.
All right, guys. There's 20 points right there. Let's go.
I'm really gonna need you to stop. 'Cause you're not coming up here.
10 seconds left before our 3:30 candle.
Zero
Which,
Dawn
yeah,
got in
I'm
long
stupid,
at
man.
694. I finally beat you, Zero Dawn. I got in at 691.
You! If the man's in, I'll get in there too. Let's see.
W's for
See if we can't get our $8 off this thing.
Okay, there's our 230 candle. So I mean the Robin Hooders are
Strong
getting
push.
liquidated.
Strong push up to the 720s. Out.
Stop film.
All right. Good call, boys. We're only down $30 on the day. Shoo!
I think I'm gonna take mine right there if it gives it to me.
Beautiful.
All right, I'm
Beautiful
out right there
trade.
at the 730s. So 40 points. I got to be honest, I didn't think it was going to keep running over the 40s. It's crossing my larger bull flag. Okay.
Oh my god, what is her problem?
I don't know. She's a nutball.
Do you have water?
What'd I get out at? 717. It went up to 740. Yeah, come on, Greg. Wow, Nvidia had a huge pump.
Oh, yeah. Look at NVIDIA, guys. Now it's coming
Oh,
up on the
ooh.
bottom of the box there and the VWAP, so.
I didn't even realize that entire time. I was trading on the 5-minute. That's pretty
Well,
funny.
Well, it looks like it's working for you.
It was, yeah, man, it was.
Zero
No, maybe it
Dawn
would
says
have held a
pumping.
little bit better on that 1 minute.
Order filled.
mean, it kind of bounced right off the 720s. I don't know. See, I like that cross there.
Order filled.
Next up.
I don't know, guys.
I mean, there's a
I mean, look,
huge volume
Vix's-
shelf. Our biggest volume shelf that we had of the day basically just hit. That 437 or 734.
And
There's that dyslexia.
I like maybe we're building out a little 1 minute bear or bull flag right here. Let's see. It's dropping down a little bit lower than I like. That's kind of support right there at the 720s. A little late
Order
now.
filled.
I guess it's not a little late.
Stop filled.
She's itching again. Ugh. Infuriating day. Ugh. Hi, you. You're a good pop.
Yeah, I think you're fixing to get the 750 zeroed on. I mean,
It seems like it wants to. I
That
mean,
749
Nvidia's
area,
ripping.
maybe?
Everybody's friggin' ripping.
Order filled.
I mean, geez, I don't know if 775's. I mean, it's kind of even in the picture. 770 roughly.
Yep.
Come on, pump it up there for him.
Stop filled.
Wow. We're down $14 on the day. All right, let me let this
Look at
dog
that.
out real
Look
quick.
at that.
Hold on. Look at that. Look at that.
There it is, zeroed on. 750. Come on. That a baby. Vix is still crushing.
Hey, you go potty? Come on. Come on. Outside. Come on. Hey, come on.
Did she go?
Yeah, stay there.
Did she go?
I don't even know where she
She
goes.
came back in the room right here.
Meg. You devil. Come here. Hey, come here. Go potty. Put your feet on the bed there.
Yeah, I took it off at 750. I had the feeling in the call out earlier we were going to push at the end of the day. Yeah, and that's kind of what I was thinking too. I mean, just off the drop, and then every Robin Hooder in their mind probably shorted and got in a little late. A lot of their options got stopped out. So ES got that huge pump on the 230 candle. I mean, look at that. As soon as the Robin Hooder started getting liquidated, so some of them just had to sell for profit, right? But got the liquidation. NQ's retracing to right here. That's not a terrible spot of a retrace, but let's see if it pulls back a little bit and then gets that pop to go up above the VWAP maybe. I guess not VWAP there, but my trade weight VWAP. I got regular VWAP at 828, but I think we could get above the 770s maybe if it may just get this flat brush back to the bottom now though, huh? And I just know that about Robinhood because I used to be one of those guys. I mean, traded on Webull, you know, a bunch. Traded on Robinhood because it was a little mobile user friendly, but I could really notice if I was trading options on Webull that 230 was a big move, and a lot of those got liquidated. I think they may have moved it now. Some of them are like 245, and I think SPX may even be like 250 or 3 now, maybe on Robinhood. But yeah. I got 55 points with that last trade. Nice. Yeah, I think I got 40 out of it, 41. Heck of a trade, Zero Dawn.
Get off, 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 off. Where's the clicker? Get off. No.
Kind of starting to just kind of chop right here, right now. Kind of bounced off the 21 right there.
Uh-oh. What are you doing? What are you doing, sir?
We had that good push up right to the 750s like Zero Dawn wanted, and straight rejection after that. Thought we were going to have a little turnaround, but...
On the dot, 751.50.
Yeah.
Took it off at 750. Man. Yeah, Zero Dawn, we got to get you part of the team, bud. Let's get you in on a day.
You tell us what day you want to do, and we'll get you on in the morning.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, rejected on my 50 EMA on the 5 minute. And you use that 50 EMA a lot, don't you, Zero Dawn?
There's a 200s right there, 738. NVIDIA curled back down. Q's curling back. ES curling back.
Yeah, and see how NVIDIA really rejected hard off the bottom of the box and the VWAP right there.
Oh, yeah, where are we? Oh, 880. My God, the bottom of our range is 880.
Yeah.
I haven't had my
That's why we're not supposed to be long in it, because we're that far below.
Oh God, that looks terrible. How can I change this?
But you need 10 points, don't you? That's what we got to have, isn't it? 10 points. You need 10 points.
For what?
One to be green for the day.
Oh, for me? Yeah. I need 10.
Come on, chat. Let's go.
Come on, chat. Let me see. Oh shoot, do I not have the? Did I make it too tight? There we go. Let's change this real quick. Oh God, that's wonky. How do I do that? Oh man. All right. Oh God. You go down. You go down.
Zero Dawn, MOC anyone? Yeah, I mean I'm always game for MOC.
I'll do some MOC with you boys. All right, so this one, let's change this to landscape. Where do I do that? Scale. Portrait. Let's do landscape. Landscape. Oh, is that what I want? No, I want this.
Oh, are you turning your screen?
Yeah, because yeah, like I was covering up. I had the YouTube like whatever video covering up my usual 5-minute chart.
Oh,
5 minute,
yeah.
1 minute and 15, you know? And I was just confused. Oh no, now why the hell did this just flip? Oh god, I'm inverted. I'm inverted. Okay. Keep changes. There we go.
Yeah, Zero Dawn said it was paying last week for me and Cowboy. Yeah, we had some good times last week. He stayed in a little bit longer than I did last week for sure. But
For MOC, you're saying?
oh yeah, and it's totally degen. But
Yeah. What do you guys feel in this MOC? I gotta imagine longs, right? Which I guess you gotta wait. You gotta wait until maybe 7:47 to kind of determine.
yeah, and that's kind of what we did. Is probably like 5 minutes before we kind of start talking about it. But I literally make my decision about 10 seconds before the 250 candle,
Yeah.
and 2 seconds before it. That's when I enter, and we see what happens.
Shoo! All right. All right. I'll ride the lightning with you boys. You know. Go ahead and ride this dragon.
Big push down right there. That'd have been nice to enter right there.
Yeah, all the way down here to the 710s, and Nvidia is still curling down pretty good. VIX is shooting up. ES is curling down. Everybody's curling, but this would be a good spot for a bounce.
Yeah, I like the bounce, especially if it could get. I mean, this 710 area is kind of was our resistance back here, kind of being support now.
Mm-hmm.
If we could get back over the 720s, I wouldn't be disappointed in it. Yeah, Zero Dawn degenning to the max. That's exactly
Yeah,
what MOC
buddy.
is.
Yeah, buddies. But right now, isn't this is kind of the reverse of your move, right? Strong red candle. Now
Oh
it's
yeah,
wicking halfway.
yeah, back up halfway.
So now if it pushes 714, maybe shorts.
Maybe if it could kind of touch the 9 right there. But see, then I kind of like it the opposite way now.
Right. Now it's forming nice on the 5 minute too. There's a nice bear or bull flag on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Nvidia found some support. Well, you're right. There's a green candle. Now let's see if we can get a half wick down to 718. Now it's longs instead, you know. What time is it? We got 20 seconds before our 5 minute candle. Our 3:45.
Is it going to reject right here at the shoulder? That's where I don't want to be in at if it rejects. Is at 730. There's a little push down. Bigger push down. Oh.
This is the start of the
Right
5.
there. Oh, it's going to keep pushing down. It tried to push right back up. Either way, I'll get out before the 250 candle so we can ride it. Oh yeah, straight back down. So just tricking some of the bulls, including me.
Meg, you really need to fuck off.
Meg, you really need to fuck off, she says. There's that endearing lady. That endearing lady we all love.
Meg, stop it.
What are you thinking, Zero Dawn? We're getting close. What's your perspective? I mean, I kind of want
Personally,
to
I'm
just
still.
long it no matter what, but
Yeah, man. I was almost thinking that too. I was thinking the longs are looking real good. I mean, Vix has a gap. I guess it needs to fill. That's kind of weird.
yeah, it
So
really
maybe
is.
a quick pop up to fill that gap, which would mean a little push down for us really quick.
Yeah. Potential long based on structure. Yeah, I agree. I just don't know how far it's going to wick down before we get that push.
Right.
Two and a half minutes, guys. 2.5. And after this, guys, unless we just bang like 100, 200 points, we'll probably call it after this MOC candle.
Yeah. Which that's always a way to play it too, is you wait until the candle hits. You wait for the reaction, and then you do the opposite of whatever the reaction does.
Yeah, for sure. The way I do it, you're pretty much just pushing the slot machine. You're pulling the handle down and then seeing where it stops.
Yeah, yeah. That's funny. Oh man, yeah. Nvidia's getting real strong push now. Oh man, I think I want to be in it.
Order
I mean,
filled.
I'm still in from the 720s, but
Order rejected.
nice push.
Up to the 200.
Stop filled.
All right. Down
I mean, yeah,
$7
guys,
on the day. $7 on the
Hey!
day, chat.
So now you don't need to play the 250 candle.
Dude, I know that's the thing that would piss me off is if I play it and I lose $50 right away. You know, I'm gonna be like
Zeroed
sitting
on
here
in
for
at
another 3 hours
724.
trying to make it back until we blow up the account.
Yeah. I mean, I think I'm just going to stay in from right here. I mean, I got in at 720. It's at 740.
I don't
I'm
hate
gonna
it,
risk-
man. I don't hate it at all.
Order
I'm going to
filled.
risk 50, $100 either direction. So
Order filled.
Ooh. We're down $2.10 now.
let's go. Come on.
Choo!
Lock in.
Look at that consistency rule. I gotta watch the consistency rule though. You know, don't want to make too much in one day. All right, we got 15 seconds. Oh, yeah, I might sit out now at this point. I'm gonna wait until the reaction.
I'm just going to kind of set it at
Here we go.
765.
Here we
see
go.
if it
Boom!
hits.
Nice pop, guys.
Let's see if it holds. No, look at that.
Mm,
Rip it. Yeah.
yipes, dude.
Right back down. Let's see. I mean, this is kind of dumb, but I think I'm just going to add in. I was
He
already
goes,
up.
I'm just gonna add.
I was already up.
Yeah.
What's it going to hurt? And that's why we have Greg on, guys, because he's the smartest guy in the room. He didn't try to join this or do anything here, so.
Yeah, my finger was on the sell button though. I was about to short that thing. I'm like, and then watch it rips in the opposite direction. I mean, Nvidia's popping back up. Whoa.
I mean, it doesn't look crazy to short it, but yeah, we don't want Nvidia.
Bang! Zerodon says took it at 750. Nice, man.
Trading Cowboy still holding.
Still
Y'all been telling,
holding.
you see, y'all been telling me to hold and hold and hold, and then Zero Dawn got out already.
Still holding it. Still holding it. Yeah, Nvidia's pushing back up.
Yeah, I mean, I
Let's
don't hate it.
see.
I mean, Nvidia, if it could get over the VWAP, it's got a pivot point coming up right after that too that it rejected off a while ago.
Yeah.
I mean, VIX is trying to go up, but I mean, this is kind of the setup right here. This is kind of do or die, I think, right here. But that was a super nice fast wick to rip to 751. I mean, to 755
Yeah.
even for.
50 EMA. Cowboy got those balls of steel like a Texas Superman.
I mean, we still got some crazy stuff still coming up at what 750 or 354 and 355 is our next kind of MOC candles.
Right. And again, VIX is just now about to close its gap that it created about 30, 40 minutes ago.
Yeah, so if it can get that filled and then just drop, that'd be really nice. I mean, Nvidia really rejected off the 200 again, right off the VWAP again, so I mean, maybe this is downside now. I was looking for like a 60-point candle. Yeah, me too. I really thought it was going to give a huge run in one direction.
Yeah, a little bit muted, huh? A little bit muted. Actually, what has even the range been today? 680 to 818. Well, 820. 680 to 820. So, yeah, it's only like a 150 point range today. Man, still spiking down though. Shorts are still shorting. There's the VIX spike to close this gap.
Yep, let's see what happens now. Huge push on VIX, yeah, guys.
Oh, the 355 candle is in 10 seconds.
Yeah, we got 10 seconds. Do or die.
Here it goes. 3 seconds left. Little spike down this time.
Got the spike down. Let's see if they buy it up. The 710s. We wanted it to get over 710 a while ago. Now we want it to stay over 710, but VIX is still trying to push. Nvidia is dropping. ES pulled back. It's trying to bounce.
Flashing green for a sec.
Right to the 21. Not where we want it to be, but
Order filled.
come on, let's get that push. Very small retrace NQ. Come on. Now push. Push it for the guys. Yeah. Running out of
Right?
volume kind of, but I mean, we're just really slowing down right now, aren't we?
Yep.
Order filled.
Did you get it? No.
No. It was close. I came out of break even, basically.
Yeah.
So I'm down $4.64 still. But I got out of the right spot because, I mean.
Oh, yeah, I pulled right back down. Yeah, I mean, the 9 and the 21's crossing over. It's curling down.
I'm just looking at
I'm just looking at my Lincoln Log treehouse.
How much longer are you gonna trade for?
Like 3 more minutes, and then we'll definitely be done.
Planning out our week a little bit.
Yeah, tell her thank you for letting you stay on so long.
Yeah, man, it was a good stream. It was fun. We had a lot of fun today. I haven't done a full day in a long stinking time, man.
It's a little hard, but
dude, I give you credit, man. It's a long time to be talking and
yeah.
I mean, and just oh, God, I don't even have words any longer because I've been talking too much today.
All right.
But yeah,
finally getting a little
concentrating for
push.
that long.
I'm gonna scale out of some of these. Make my
Oh
habits
shoot,
look better.
you were still in it big too.
Oh yeah, I just had 10, just 10 micros.
Yeah. Shoot, man, look at this push. Huge push now. Oh, come on! 68 cents.
Oh no. Come on, here's the 750s. Come on, get it right there. Take that one. Come on, push. Push. All right. Took 2 more off right there.
Beautiful push.
I mean, that's the crazy part. So I've got 3 minis left. They're up 180 or 3 micros. They're up 180 bucks.
Hell yeah.
I mean, that's insane. All right, I got 1 left now.
I know. I seem to do a better job in the opposite direction with my micros, I can be red 300 real easy, but then getting green $8, I'm like, oh, come on. How stinking close, though. Look at that. 68 cents away. We have literally 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
I can see Greg's wheels turning, guys.
Which, yeah, it'd be a terrible idea because any trade that I make, it's going to be like, fuck. Now we're down 20. Now we're sitting here. Now we're here till 4:30.
Nice push down. Popped right back up. Still trying to get that 766 push out of this.
Wow, dude.
Order filled.
Come on, baby!
Push.
$3.78 live on the Trading Cowboys channel.
Right here, guys.
Everybody's
look.
green today, boys.
766. Come on.
Green.
Push. Giddy up. Come on. Woo! 766. Look at that.
Boom.
It's still going,
Huge
Greg. Still
push
going.
at the end,
Look at
man.
that.
Huge push at the end.
So, guys, and I think that's 3 evals. We lost one that we had the little bit of drawdown in, but that's 3 evals today that we easily got. I think we got 1,500 on 2 of them, roughly 1,379 on this one.
Not
That's
a bad
the one
day.
we lost. Got 1431 on that one. Past that one, that's the one we flipped earlier. We did it, guys.
So have you noticed, do you do better trading in the morning or do you do better trading in these afternoon sessions?
Sometimes I do better in the afternoon just because it kind of slows down just a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe, so it's not quite as volatile, but and sometimes the direction is already finished and kind of done. So
Right.
but
So there's not
we're
like
getting we're getting that 775 right now.
Look at that,
Good short
man.
area maybe, but yeah, I can crush the eval 0 Don. I don't think I traded 1 funded today. I think I got 600 on it, but I didn't trade the other 8. So, or the other 7. I think I have 8 right now. So
The other 8. Oh, cool, guys. Well, yeah,
Hey,
I'm
guys.
gonna stop
Yeah.
right there. I mean, I agree. I was tempted. I was always tempted to do one more trade, but we're green on the day, so it's a good day to stop. You know, it's a
Yeah, guys.
good stopping point.
Thanks, Zero Dawn. Thanks for everybody coming. Hit that thumbs
Hell
up button on your
yeah.
way out. We'll
Yup.
see y'all tomorrow, right before
Appreciate
open.
you guys.
Sink or swim.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, guys. Thanks. Appreciate y'all all.
Yeah. Hell yeah, gang. Have a good rest of your day today. We thoroughly appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
When the market gets wild, only one man rides it. The trading cowboy.